Good afternoon all. It is a pleasure to be in the company of industries stakeholders after a year of significant disruption. The 20th Convergence India and 6th Smart City India Expo has deftly demonstrated over the last 3 days how it's time to restart growth in the country with B2B exhibition and how trade events can be held with appropriate safety measures in place. My congratulations to the organizers, India Trade Promotions, organizers, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and Exhibition India Group for the curating excellent industry, gathering towards the incredible cause of building a digital and a smart India. And in the same breath, I would like to thank the participants for coming up with next-gen and world-class technology. India's IT and IT-enabled services industry has the potential to be a driving force in harnessing new technologies, positively impacting all sectors including agriculture, health, education, manufacturing and more, thereby creating remarkable employment and entrepreneurial opportunity in the country. India also emerged strongly on digital capability front as a hub in the world with around 75% of global digital talent present in the country. It was a dream come true. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, this has ensured digital access, digital infrastructure, digital empowerment, and has played a vital role in bridging the digital divide with a common thread of digital inclusion, which eventually helped the country to stand strongly for the test of time during COVID-19 pandemic. The importance of a digital connected India was underscored by the month of lockdown, where every activity had an electronic nucleus, right from monitoring and tracking the spread of the coronavirus or ensuring payments via fintech solutions. It was digital technology that added both the government and citizens at a time of national and global crisis. Our Honorable Prime Minister's visions of Digital India initiative propelled Indian IT industry to deliver world-class services at the competitive quality and costs. In this context, I would like to add that Department of Information Technology, Government of Bihar is determined to ensure the implementation of policies of ease of doing business handcrafted by the current government to develop IT and IT-enabled services industry for inclusive and overall socio-economic growth in the state. We have pool of talent with abundant skilled workers. The state has IIT, IIM, NIT, BIT, which are considered to be country's best educational and research institution, including the existing incubation center at IIT Patna and upcoming one at BIT Patna. It has enough potential to support the industries, entrepreneurs, startups and investors with its ready infrastructures. Existing startup hubs in the heart of Patna, upcoming IT park, IT cities at Rajgir, better road, rail and air connectivity, better power, water facility and law and order. Bihar is also rich in human resources. It provides a skilled manpower across the country and therefore economical, skilled and reliable manpower is available in abundance in the state. This will provide the business houses an opportunity to reduce their cost and increase profits. Simple formula, income minus expenditure. I invite you all to come and invest in Bihar with a stable government and excellent Chief Minister. Heretofore, The department is deep into e-governance, BAF, Aadhaar-based transaction framework, CFMS, HRMS, and existing application being used flawlessly by the various state departments. BSWANs, Bihar Cloud are integrated IT enabling infrastructures, a state data center, a state-of-art Tier 3 data centers is already in progress. No other sectors embraces digital transformations and embodies its spirit to improve citizens' lives like India's Smart Cities missions. A Smart City India Award is a unique platform designed to felicitate, recognize, and encourage individuals, policymakers, companies, municipalities, government bodies, and associations to be illuminate the work done across both urban and rural sectors. I would like to express my deep appreciation to all those nominated today at the Smart City India Award. Congratulations to all winners and applause to everyone bringing development and progress into the lives of Indian people. Thank you very much, and thanks with great regard on behalf of Bihar government also. Dhanyavad.